Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club to share with you guys. So it looks like I have a new stylist this time around, and I told her basically that I wanted embellished tops for filming videos since I'm not leaving the house or anything, and comfy but cute loungy wear, possibly even yoga clothes, although I have plenty of leggings, you know, other stuff like that. And then she sent me my trunk, or the preview, and I didn't like half of it basically. So I said, hey, because she had included a jumpsuit. So I was like, hey, I do love jumpsuits, and you know, gave her a couple other ideas. So she included a bunch of jumpsuits in this box and some tank tops and one pair of shorts. So let me show you what she sent me. Let's start with the shorts. So these are the shorts, and they're very distressed. I like the color of them, and I have nothing against distressed things, but this is taking it a little too far. This is like, I don't know, I can see this on an 18-year-old boho at Burning Man or something, but not me. You know, they're just no, that's just not gonna work for me. And then these tank tops, this one, I love the feel of it. It's just a soft, very easy breezy. The material on this is lovely. It's just so lightweight and just hangs really nicely. It is a bit short and it has this twist in the front which makes it go up a little bit, so it kind of shows off my belly. And again, I'm not sure that I'm comfortable with that. I think it's super cute, but I'm kind of on the fence, like maybe, but I almost never wear high-waisted stuff, so my stuff tends to ride low anyway, showing even more of a belly gap, so I don't know. It's probably going to end up being a no, but I do think it's super cute and super comfy. This top is a definite no for me. This is like a satiny pink peplum top, and I just found it to be super unflattering. And peplum tops on me just always seem to sit funny, and I think it's because I do generally wear my pants pretty low on my hips, and the peplum, you know, sits up high on my waist, so it doesn't match up right. So peplum stuff just doesn't usually work for me, and I just found this particular top to not be at all flattering. This one, however, this yellow satiny one, it's almost like, what is this, chartreuse or something? I actually really like this. It's a thicker satin kind of a material, and it almost reminds me of, like, I don't know, a bridesmaid dress or something, but I like the color and I like the fit of it, and it is very lightweight and breezy. You could dress it up or wear it more casually, you know, so I do like this one. I think I might keep this one. No. This makes me feel like, I mean, like, this would look really cute on my 7-year-old daughter. On me, it just looks like I'm trying to dress up like a baby or something. It just had this terrible, like, not cute or sexy pajama. In fact, I think it actually says that it's a pajama jumpsuit. Yeah, it's a pajama romper. So, I mean, even if I wanted to wear it as pajamas, I just feel like, I don't know. No. Okay, so now let's get into the other jumpsuits. This one is from Vince Camuto, and it's just a black, very nice, it's kind of a thicker material. This is not really summer material here. This is more like business suit, but very nice. The cut on this is just beautiful. It fits me so well. It has pockets. The tie on it adds to it instead of taking away or making it look weird. I love this. I think it's just gorgeous. So I do have another jumpsuit that's like a navy blue, and that's honestly the one that got me on my jumpsuit kick, and I think I got it from a trunk club a couple years ago. I've worn it once to a wedding. It looked super cute, and I would totally wear it again, like over and over if I had places to go. So I don't know, I might keep this one, but I feel like because I have the navy one, do I really need the black one? But they're a little bit different from each other, and this is so cute. I don't know. This mustardy yellow one, first of all, I'm not a fan of this kind of a yellow, and I couldn't even get it on. It's like, my booty was like, no. So, you know, who knows what this would look like. I didn't have high hopes for this anyway with all of this pleating going on, and the mustard yellow, just no. This one, another black jumpsuit. I feel like this is actually really cute. I'm not sure about this one. It's more of a cropped leg, like, unless I'm just too tall for it or something, which I don't know, I have mixed feelings about. And the top, like, I didn't know what I could wear underneath it you know, maybe I can play with it some more and see if I can find something more like this, which is just like a sports bra, or because I didn't feel like wearing no bra was really working for me, but it's so low cut and everything that I couldn't really wear a bra. Even my strapless bra, it's just too like high coverage. It does not have pockets though. It's a more lightweight material than the Vince Camuto one. Like this one is a little more easy breezy. That one is more businessy. So I don't know. And then this one that I am currently wearing right now, this one is from Scotch and Soda, and it has this really cute, kitschy Hawaiian pattern to it that I don't know, I just find it really cute and fun, and I love the way it fits, and it has pockets. It's a little bit big on the top. Like you can see, I've got a lot of extra room in here, and this is a large, but I'm afraid if I went to a medium, it would shrink tall-wise more than skinny-wise, and I don't know. I mean, I could try. Trunk Club and Nordstrom are really good about doing returns and exchanges and stuff. So I could actually say, hey, can you send me the medium, and then I'll send you back the one that I don't like. It's so expensive though, you guys. I was like, oh, it's this really nice lightweight material. You know, hopefully it'll be a little bit less expensive than the other ones. It's almost $200. Like with tax and everything, it's definitely gonna be over $200. And I'm like dying because the longer I wear it and look at myself and how cute I am, I love it so much. I'm kind of obsessed with it in this just like, I don't know, it speaks to me. I'm like trying to talk myself into it as we speak. So anyway, those are the pieces that I got. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I like that my stylist really seemed to take my feedback, and she got me some really cute jumpsuits, and the tops are fine, you know, although nobody seems to understand what I mean when I say embellished tops, but we'll keep working on that. You know, it's a new stylist. There's always those couple of boxes where your stylist tries to get used to you. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check out anything for yourselves, or just, you know, you can use my referral link. Hey, that'll give me Nordstrom credit, and then I can use it toward this beautiful jumpsuit. If you do, thank you. Okay, so definitely let me know what you thought of everything in the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I always take what you say into account when I decide to keep these things or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!